Carlos Miguel with True Investment Partners, where we flip lives by flipping real estate. I'm here in Coco Key, Bahamas, floating cabanas, just like Bora Bora. Paid for my whole family doing this program that I'm teaching you. Very simple, but we want to change your life. If you have a job, we want you to quit your boss. We show you how to make money using other people's money to flip houses. And there's nothing better than it because it's not your money. Wouldn't be easy to flip a property if you're using someone else's money. We give you the money for capital, for business capital. We get you the money to buy and flip the house. The rehab is included. No out-of-pocket expenses, and you can have your life flipped. Once you create an engine of flipping houses, the money is doing all of the work. So I have the freedom to be here with my family, here in the Bahamas, in this beautiful water, on this beautiful beach, and I want to show you how to do it. Hashtag We Flip Lives, trueinvestmentpartners.com. I look forward to seeing you there, and I look forward to helping you one-on-one. Me, not an assistant, not a coach. Me, I'm gonna help you to do what I've done. Talk to you soon.